How to reset Safari browser on iPhone. So let's get started. If you also want to reset Safari browser on your iPhone, here's what you need to do. So first, just head over to your settings of your iOS, and once you're inside here, just scroll all the way down until you see this app section over here. Just tap on that and just locate or find the Safari application itself. So I'm gonna find the Safari application, as you can see over here. Just select it, and once you're inside here, scroll all the way down until you see the advanced option. Select it and click on this website data option, and from over here all you need to do is just click on this remove all website data and simply click on remove now. And once you do that, you're going to be logged out of most of the apps or websites. And similarly, you can also come back over here at the top and click on this general from your settings and click on iPhone storage, and similarly find the Safari application from over here once again, and just do the same from website data by removing all website data possible. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.